destiny climbed the steep ladder to the forgotten attic, where the rhythmic patter of rain against the gray slate roof spoke of hidden magic waiting to be found. The wood creaked softly under her feet, but the sound was comforting, like the gentle settling of an old friend in the dark. The air inside the small room carried the scent of ancient parchment and dried herbs, providing a cozy shelter from the freezing frost that gathered on the glass panes. She felt a sense of anticipation, as if the very dust motes dancing in her lamplight were pointing toward a grand secret.